Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about the difference in the S sound and the Z or Z sound, okay? So here's S and here's Z or Z, okay? So they're the same except S sound is not voiced, okay? Z sound starts here in your voice box, but your mouth and your tongue and your teeth are the same, okay? So Z, S, Z. The air should be going across your tongue and out your mouth, okay? So S, air out, Z, same, air out, okay? Okay, so we're just gonna go back and forth this time, okay? So su, zoo, sip, zip, said, zed, sap, zap, seal, and zeal. Okay, so here, now the words are at the end, okay? The sound is at the end. Dose, doze, safes, saves, niece, knees, peace, peas, lice, lies, bust, buzz, face, phase. Okay, and then here in the middle sound, okay? Faces, phases, fussy, fuzzy, races, raises. Okay? And then the sentence is down here. Zoe saw a seal and zebra at the zoo. 6 cats chased the mouse in between the trays. Seth used a razor to trim the fuzz on his face. His face. Please use these slippers in the house. Okay? So practice these 3 times, okay? 5 times. Goodbye.